check it out. All right, we're now on the title track of the album. He is. Alright, that first it reminds me of who's that nigga, bro? Like who's that nigga? Playboy Cardi, bro. Like and it's fucking fire. But Rema has like his own twist into it. Like it's got his like Nigerian, accent to it. Like it's fucking fire, bro. Like yo, shit. What does this mean? Let me know in the comment section. What does this mean?
Said I'm the future and I no believe where I be now. When I talk another banger, you better believe
Ay, Miegeleni, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Don't touch the boy. The boy is too much. The boy is fire. The boy is fire. Shit. Whew. That was his, man. That was his.